Hey guys, the manufacturer sent me this air purifier for free so I could check it out and show it to you and let you know what I think about it. So at first, I just want to show you, I really love the really cool, sleek design of it. You can see the lights going off there. So it has a couple of options for lighting. So up top, you can see the button has, you can kind of cycle through your different lighting options. So I really like that feature, or you can just have it off. So again, I love that. Say it does come with a USB cord. For most instances, it's long enough. For me doing this review for you, I couldn't quite reach an outlet, so I used a different one. So just to let you know, if that's the case for you, you need a longer USB-C for it. No problem using a different one for it. And then just to talk about the filtration part of it, if you can hear the fan going right now, it's super quiet and it seems to do a really good job. And has a couple different options. So I'll just show you and tap the power button on there. Hope I'm hitting the right one. Just so you can see how quiet it is. And then I'm going to show you just a couple other things. So unplug it here and show you the bottom. You see it has this twist lock, and this is to replace the filter. So you just twist, pull that off, and that's where your filter is stored in there. So super easy to replace once it gets clogged. Just take the bottom off, grab your filter, put it in, and lock it in again. One thing I want to point out that I almost didn't realize when I first opened it up is that it does come with the filter installed already. And with that filter installed, it is all wrapped up in plastic and has a styrofoam inside of it. So you want to make sure that you take the bottom off and take out the actual packaging before you turn it on. And then, so again, drop the filter in, put the bottom on, it locks in place, and that's it, guys. So they're really good filters. It seems like a really good air purifier, and it looks really nice. So overall, I think it's a really solid product and definitely something that you should check out if you're looking for a small air purifier for your home.